Cooking can be an incredibly rewarding activity, but sometimes it feels like a daunting task. However, a few simple tricks can make a world of difference in your kitchen, helping you save time, effort, and enhancing the flavors of your dishes. Here are 10 genius kitchen tips you will be glad to know. 1. Garlic peeling made easy. Place the garlic cloves in a jar, close the lid, and shake vigorously for about 20 seconds. The skins will come right off, leaving you with perfectly peeled garlic. 2. Keep herbs fresh longer. Store delicate herbs like parsley, cilantro, and dill in a glass of water covered loosely with a plastic bag. This helps keep them fresh for up to a week longer than storing them in the fridge in their original packaging. 3. Revive stale bread. Sprinkle a little water on stale bread and pop it in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes. The moisture will refresh the bread, making it soft and edible again. 4. Easily peel ginger. Use the edge of a spoon to scrape off ginger's skin. It's faster and more efficient than using a knife or peeler. 5. Perfectly poached eggs. Add a little vinegar to the boiling water before adding the eggs. This helps the egg whites set faster and reduces the risk of them falling apart. 6. Ice cream scooping made easy. Run your ice cream scooper under hot water before scooping. The heat will make the scooper glide through the ice cream effortlessly. 7. Save oversalted dishes. If you've accidentally added too much salt to your soup or stew, add a peeled potato to the pot. The potato will absorb the excess salt without affecting the flavor. 8. Keep brown sugar soft. Place a piece of bread or a marshmallow in your brown sugar container to keep it from hardening. The moisture from the bread or marshmallow keeps the sugar soft and ready to use. 9. Test eggs for freshness. Place eggs in a bowl of water. Fresh eggs will sink to the bottom, while stale ones will float. This simple test can help you avoid using expired eggs in your cooking. 10. No more onion tears. Chill onions in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before chopping. The cold temperature reduces the release of the tear-inducing compounds, making it a tear-free experience. These tips are not only handy but can make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Happy cooking!